Essa aqui que eu comprei, ela vai
looking and there's like a car coming on the right.
Yeah.
Just walk straight into it.
Cart or car?
Car. One car, just not looking at all. I was trying to say, Emma, watch out.
Well, we all
She
need
doesn't
help
listen.
sometimes. Okay, mom went straight to the goodies.
Okay, well, I'm gonna go try and find one.
We're gonna look for real food.
Look at that. Good job.
Dad, I'm gonna go try and find one sandwich.
Yeah, let's go. We're gonna go look for real food.
All right, yeah.
Dang, they have a Spanish spirit bait with chicken.
Hey, look, Austin. We found what you want.
Yesterday they didn't have anything.
Oh, Austin, you better hurry up and grab those.
Sandwich?
You don't want, I think you should get this. Grab one first, hold this, and then go look for sandwich.
I was gonna go.
Because,
Actually, no, wait, no.
Grandpa said I eat any kind. Fry.
Yeah, I'll go look for one sandwich. I'll be back.
yep,
Where should we meet up if we get lost?
we're gonna be right here. We're not going anywhere.
She's making more sandwiches.
Oh, yeah.
Only thing is,
These are good.
I don't know if it's gonna
Last.
be in if the
Come back.
car is heated up.
We can come back there.
Or if they have,
Hey, I don't know if you want to get one anyways.
unless we drop it off and
Or to the room.
yeah.
It's up to you. You can.
Do you want a donut?
Yeah, we can. And you can just leave it in the room if you like.
Then you don't have to come
Back again.
because I don't know if they're gonna still have it.
Sushi I like.
Yeah, sorry.
The mustard cabbage.
But they have the somen thing you like.
I'm gonna wait for the sandwiches to come out. You think she gonna bring that out?
I don't know. Okay, so the plan is we want to get some mochi from here.
Yeah.
So we're going back into the room to drop it off.
Oh yeah. That's fine.
Then she doesn't want to have to come back later.
Yeah,
Let me
yeah,
get
yeah.
you a basket ring. Emma, let's go look for a basket. Oh look, there's more over here. Go grab one. lettuce. Oh, this is on the side. I'm gonna get this too.
I would have gotten the sandwich, but it has like some weird stuff in it.
Okay, here.
Old stuff, 'cause this gonna.
Okay, but you don't have much choices. So.
You think that's enough? One spam with chicken and then 2 salmon.
Yeah, I think that's good. I'm not gonna be gone all day.
Oh, I hope the
What are
spam.
you getting?
I'm just getting, yeah.
I hope the salmon musubis are actually like, or I can eat it. And it's not. You know what? I'll just eat it anyways, even if I don't like it.
Yeah, that's the best thing to do all the time. Oh no. It's gone. I like it.
Oh, I want hash brown.
Yeah.
Where's me?
I don't know. You didn't like, oh, is this what you saw?
It's tuna.
What about over here? Roast beef?
like-
Or pastrami?
That's fine. I already chose
Okay. Okay.
some stuff that I want.
You're right.
Some stuff that I actually know I'm gonna eat.
You're right. Do you want me to get one and we can try it together?
I mean, if you want to.
I don't
for
want-
you. No, for you though.
Yeah.
Not for me.
Because you might not eat it anyways. Okay. I think I'm good already. Just gotta worry about mom. Was it? You don't want to get the salmon? No, we're not. Wow. Okay, well look. Maybe there's something you like. Let's get tuna mayo,
Yeah, I saw the.
salmon. We'll get one more for mom. Salmon plate? Wait, did you get the salmon plate?
Yeah. Or I just got the salmon.
It says salmon plate.
Oh, what?
Mochi for us too.
Oh,
It's all
maybe.
called salmon flake.
Yeah. It's fine, hon. If you want. What?
Also not just all for me, right?
Yeah, I'll eat.
I don't know how much it is, but.
There's a whole shelf of them over there too.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's the same thing though.
Yeah, I took a look at them, but I'm good. Yeah.
Y'all ready whenever you are, okay?
Okay, you guys are ready. Go check out and
That looks like one McDonald's breakfast meal. Linguine ocean salmon.
put that in your pocket. You can go with them. If they're ready, you can. Well,
Are you
actually,
asking me?
to open the van, not to drive away.
How?
Oh. Well, as long as you have it in your pocket, you can open the van. Just pick the button. Oh, I'm gonna get a drink. I'm gonna for a drink. You gonna be over here?
Okay, no need the mochi. It's okay.
Just get it if you want it. So, I don't know what mom wants. I gotta get a drink. Oh, look, Jello, tapioca.
Oh, looks like gems.
Yeah. I need monsters. Can you stay with mom?
Now we're going to look up to the candy aisle, number 11.
Okay.
Different kind of
Honey, you need a drink.
water.
You okay with that? Also, I put
You want to get a chips or something?
yeah. I got you a Sprite.
Oh,
Do you want that or no?
I really don't.
Sure.
Yeah. There's like, one's back.
Okay, can you help me put it back? You want something what?
I just want something that,
You want something else?
no, not a different juice. I kind of just want water. That's it.
Okay. So are we getting chips?
Yeah, get a chip.
Can you grab a chips also? Doesn't matter.
Please.
Just grab two. Grab a variety. Don't grab the same thing. Yeah, classic and something else.
You guys like sour cream?
Do you like that?
I don't mind it.
Okay. Oh, what about the funny and wavies? No?
Oh, we're not in my wait for the chips.
I like cinnamon.
Okay. And then let's put that in line now because that's the only line over here. That one's full.
Are they outside?
Yep. Good call. You sure you don't want something else? Huh?
Yeah, no, that's fine. Lemon tea? Just lemon tea? I'm just joking.
You could pick this kind too, Austin.
Maui onion.
Jalapeno. Got it.
Yeah, I got it. Wow, look how expensive this is.
That's all. All for convenience. Dave, you having something? Oh, Paul.
That place is open this one drops some more, but it goes.
Oh. Okay, let's go.
Actually,
We're
no.
gonna go drop off the stuff at the hotel. Yeah,
Oh, you
yeah.
guys bought stuff.
Well, we
Oh,
just
I should have bought this too.
for what?
No, miyake.
Oh,
I never buy.
we didn't. We only got the mochi. Oh, you didn't buy the mochi?
No, because I thought, well, that's okay.
Oh, then no need. Then we don't have to go back to the
No,
room.
but you have mochi.
No, but we can eat that in the van.
Oh.
Yeah, yeah. I thought we were going back because you had
No,
bought.
I changed my mind because